Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a problem like this, okay? And we use something called the segment addition postulate, okay? And what it says the following, segment addition postulate. So, let's say I have a very, very large piece of string, okay? Now, if I cut that in two pieces, now it could be two pieces, three, four, many, many pieces, okay? So what it says the following. So what I had is I had this very, very long piece of string, okay? And the length of that was, the measurement of that was 2x plus 2. Now I'm gonna cut that into a smaller piece, and that length will be 4. And the other piece will be this piece right here, and that length will be x plus 5. So the passage says the following, okay? So it says the following. If I add the little pieces, add them together, should be equal to the biggest piece of them all of them put together, okay? So the thing to notice is one of the little pieces is RS, so this is RS. The other little piece is called ST, and then the whole thing is called RT. Okay, so this piece RS plus ST is equal to the everything. Okay, now RS means the length. What is the distance from R to S? The distance from R to S will be 4. Now, what is the distance from S to T? S to T will be x plus 5. Now, the whole thing, everything put together will be 2x plus 2. Now, once you do that, it's like problems that we did before, okay? Now, to get the x by itself, I need to follow these steps. Number one, eliminate parentheses, fractions, or decimals. We have none. Number two is combine like terms. You add or subtract, okay? I can combine the 4 and the 5. 4 plus 5 will be 9. Then plus x, because that can be combined. Now, can I combine these two? The answer will be no, because they are different. So I did step number 1 already. Number 2, now number 3. Separate variables and constants. To do that, you need to add or subtract. So the question is, where is the letter? The letter is on both sides. When that happens, pick one. Let me put it right here. Variable on the right-hand side. I'm going to abbreviate variables with VAR. And over here, I'm going to abbreviate constant, CON. Constants on the left, that means I want numbers only. I have both of these numbers. That's not a number, get rid of it. Should I do plus or minus? I'm going to do minus x. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Now, these are opposites. Plus x minus x are opposites. They're going to cancel. Now, all I have is 9. I need constants. I need numbers over here. That's a number. Variable means letters. Do all three of these have a letter? He doesn't have a letter. So should I do plus 2 or minus 2? That'll be negative 2. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. These will cancel. 9 minus 2 will give you 7. And 2x minus 1x will give you x. And that is the answer. Okay. So as you can see, the only new item right here is this is new to us. But once you do the substitution, it becomes something we know how to do that already. Okay. So next example, I'm only gonna set up for you. I'm not going to solve it. So same thing is I'm gonna cut this into two little pieces. One of them is that TS, and the other piece will be SR, and the biggest piece will be this piece right here, and that measurement will be 7. So what I'm going to do is the following. One other little pieces plus the other little piece is equal to the biggest, the whole thing. The whole thing is TR. Now, what is the length of TS? TS is x plus 2. What is the distance from S to R? That'd be x plus 7. And what is the length of TR? TR will be 7. And from here on, just follow the steps, okay? Now, next example, I'm only going to set up for you. I'm not going to do it. Same idea. All this string, I'm going to cut it into two pieces. One of them will be this piece right here. And that is the measurement. And this will be, okay. Now, the next piece will be this piece right here. And that length will be 18. So now, one of the little pieces LM plus the other little piece MN is equal to the biggest piece of all, the whole thing. That's LN. Substitute the values of this is from L to M. That will be x plus 15 plus the other piece. The other piece is MN. That is x plus 18 is equal to the whole thing is equal to 19, and then follow the steps and solve for x. Okay, thank you.